Stop scrolling. I'm talking to you. Yes, you. And the man sitting there, searching for answers, wondering why your life isn't where you want it to be. And I know why. If you don't take action today, you will wake up in 10 years and hate yourself for not starting now. Most men today are soft, distracted, undisciplined, broke, depressed, weak, and they don't even realize it. You hate where you are, but you do nothing about it, and that is why you're losing. Let me tell you the truth nobody else will. Nobody is coming to save you. Not your family, not your boss, not society. If you don't change, nothing changes. Do you want to be that guy? Or do you want to be the man who took control now? That's why I created OLP 365, the optimum life path, a system for men who refuse to be average. This isn't just motivation. This is a step-by-step plan to fix your life and double win. Every man needs a system. This is the system. OLP 365 is how you stop being lost and start becoming elite. You don't have to take my word for it. Look at the men who've taken action. They changed their lives. So can you. The difference between them and you. They clicked subscribe and started. What's your excuse? Right now, you have TTU choices. Option 1. You ignore this, keep wasting time, and stay exactly where you are. Option 2. You subscribe to OLP 365. Take control of your life and start becoming the man you know you can be. Which one are you choosing? Most men will scroll past this and do nothing. But you're different. That's why you're still watching. Prove it. Subscribe now.